Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is digital thinking in Pakistan. Digital thinking is all about adding more concepts to our normal life. You have to make sure that your old concepts do not remain static. For that, you will have to add additional concepts regularly. As new situations arise, you will have to keep innovating and adding to your concepts. Not only will you need to add to your concepts, but also to your flow of words, so that people can enjoy and understand what you have to say. You can choose any medium like video, a blog post, or any other discussion platform like a seminar or a public speaking session. Thinking is about understanding and discovering new relationships between the things that we think about. There are four types of thinking. Number one is chance or idle thinking. Number two is thinking in the way of uncritical belief. Number three is assimilative thinking. Number four is deliberative thinking. So, how do concepts grow? For example, kid sees a cat for the first time and he starts thinking that all cats look the same until he sees another black cat. Then his parents tell him to apply this concept to other things or everything else. This metaphor is for understanding how a variation in concept works. The same kid grows up to identify and measure a difference between good and poor quality. His parents tell him not to touch the fire or the electric sockets, etc. Then he starts learning by observing others around him. Your colleagues aren't the people who sit next to you at work, but rather the people who are working on the same thing or problem with the same passion that you have. The organizations and leaders who figure out the most clever and compelling ways to connect those people and organizations will be the real winners. Let us now look at digital thinking in the context of digital marketing. It is a way of understanding the world. If your core competence is delivering an amazing customer and user experience, then digital thinking is the most effective way to understand how to market your business without ever having to know precisely what's going on or what's going to happen next. It has 5 elements: speed, simplicity, experimentation, collaboration, and adaptability. Thank you for watching this short video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.